you cognac here. Guess what I discovered? What? That there is a old-fashioned snowstorm in town. Oh, it's too hot for a snowstorm. I don't believe that. Well, it will with the proper polarity. Come on. Let's go get some fried ice cream. I think your brain has been freeze-dried. Freeze! What? I hear a blizzard coming. It's the wrong season for a blizzard. Not at Dairy Queen. You got me there. I know it.